and welcome to my channel. I am just about to head out the door. I am going to do a photo shoot today in the streets of London, so I thought I would take you along. As you may know, I do a lot of self-portraits, and today it's gonna be outside. There's probably gonna be a lot of people, it's gonna be busy. So I thought I'd show you behind the scenes of that and how I sort of manage and cope with the stress and pressure of taking creative self-portraits by yourself out in public. All right, let's go. The location we're going to is called Albert Bridge. It's a bridge that is pink. I saw this first on Instagram and then I researched about it, but we have to take the subway and it's gonna be about an hour to get there, so let's hope it's worth the effort. I think the thing that sucks the most with going on this photo shoot by yourself is just like all the stuff that you have to carry. Like I have my tripod here, then I have my camera here, and I always get a little bit nervous going in the subway in London and, you know, carrying around this pretty expensive camera. But I mean, I think you just have to look a little bit like badass and like angry and then people won't bother you. All right, first step is we need to get some props, so let's go buy some bananas. I think one of the best parts of this whole photo shoot thing is that you discover new parts of your city and maybe go through neighborhoods that you wouldn't otherwise. So I really like that, and you know, just walking around, and London is so huge, there's so many parts I still haven't seen, so I always get very excited when then I find a little colorful door or just some small details. I am not good with maps. I am not sure we are walking the right way. Time will tell. If you don't see me anymore, call for help. You know what? I think I see our destination. Yes, it is pink. It is a bridge. Albert Bridge. Here we come. Okay, so I just probably spent like an hour on that bridge trying to find a spot where I could take my photo, and it was just so much traffic, so many like people all the time, just like, oh, I get so stressed out. And then I tried a bunch of different things, but like nothing just worked. Like I have a very specific idea. I know for it to work, it needs to be exact and not like almost. I don't know, so I just gave up, which is sometimes the best thing you can do. I'll try to find a different location here close by. Instead, I'm in Chelsea, so let's hope I find something else. Hello there. It is day 2 of this vlog, photo shoot, video, whatever. So yesterday I spent probably an hour there around Albert Bridge and didn't manage to get my photo, which was extremely frustrating. But I will not be defeated. And I realized that the main thing about going to that bridge was the color pink, that I had this idea of wanting to have in this photo. So what I did instead yesterday, I found this t-shirt from Zara, which is super poofy, super like, I don't know, this cotton candy dream thing. But in my head, when I envision it, this will save the day, will save the photo. And if I can sort of make the style have sort of a very moody, you know, cloudy sky, and then with this cotton candy pink thing, and try to go for like a fashion editorial vibe, I think this could be a very, very cool picture. I also like that, like this little bow tie here behind. So I will change into this and probably do something to this over here. And we're gonna head just down to the Thames River. Basically, is like 10 minutes from where we live, and god damn it, today, please, photo gods, be on my side. Hey Bella. I left my skirt on the floor, and they always go and sit where I leave something. See? It seems like it's kind of sunny outside, which I don't know, usually it's, I mean, London should be like the cloudiest and foggiest place, right? But it's just like nice weather clouds. Ah. Okay, let's see. This is a complete flop. Oh, it's so scratchy. Okay. I feel like I look like one of those what do you call it? Matador, like the bullfighters. Okay, but you know what? We're going with it. Right. I want clouds. Okay, it looks like there might be some clouds coming though. I think we're just gonna go anyways because now I sort of prepared and everything, and then we'll just work around it. All right, day 2, heading out. Wish me luck. I found the perfect location, and this is only 15 minutes away from a walk. That is the Thames River, my friends, and I mean it's basically like a beach. So yeah, I'm happy. The water is like approaching where I have my camera at the moment, and I can crazy speed. So I think I'm gonna go to a different location. I don't know. This is like creeping me out a little bit. So yeah, I'm just gonna find a different spot instead. It is now the previous day. No, the previous day. It is now the next day. And I've done a sort of rough edit of the photo. I copy-pasted a lot of these bananas that I had taken separate pictures of into the main picture, and then sort of blurred them out, made them different sizes, and placed them in a pattern that I think looks seagull-like. And so here is the final result. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me in this behind the scenes video. I wanted to share this because, as you could see, the first day didn't work and there were all kinds of challenges, and the main thing is just to not give up, and you know, sometimes you have to change your idea and the setting to get the photo or sort of your vision to come a reality. Alright, as usual, see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching this. Come and hang out at Instagram over at Kika, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye! There's a bee in my bonnet, hello, hello, a bee in my bonnet, hello.